How to change video size in Capcut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to change video size in Capcut PC. So after you open up your Capcut, now you import your video. You want to change the size. All you have to do now, tap on this aspect ratio. So from this aspect ratio, now it will give you different aspect ratio to choose from them. So now here is it. There is 9:16 for the long video for YouTube. This for 2:3, or you can use this 9:16 for the short videos on Instagram, or for the shorts for the Facebook Reel, or for the YouTube Shorts, or for the TikTok. Or if you want to use it for your Instagram, I will advise you this 3:4 or 1:1. Let's say I want to use it for the short. I will choose this 9:16. So from there, now the video has been like small. If you want to scale the video, just select the video like this. After you select the video, go to this video base and tap on this scale button. From there, you can scale your video and position it to center of your video. Now if you play your video, now the video is playing at center, and that's it. From there, you can go ahead and export your video. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, please like and subscribe.